welcome back to Beginner Pole. This week I'm going to show you the pin-up slide, which is a move that I use to go from a standing position down to the floor, and you can do this on static or spin. Right now my pole is static, so it's not spinning, and you're going to start with your feet about shoulder distance apart, facing the pole directly. Go ahead and lean forward and put it in the middle of your body. Then I like some drama, so our arms are going to go up. I'm going to put my stronger arm on top, grab the pole all the way around, bring the elbows in and down, and start to pull. Okay? You're trying to pull the ceiling, or sorry, pull the pole out from the ceiling. Okay? That's how hard you're working. So, pole's in the center, arms go up, stronger arm on top. Wrap the hands, elbows in front, start to pull as the hands slide down. Once the top hand starts to pass the top of your head, that's when I'm going to take the weight out of my feet. And watch. My knees lift up, they come on either side of the pole, and I let it slide through my legs and my hands to smoothly lower down. Okay? So, as you're gripping, you're still pulling, but it's going to actually slide through the hands, so you've got to loosen up just a little bit for that to happen. Okay? Same thing with your legs. Now, to get up from this position, I take my front leg first, pulling on the pole to give me an extra little lift. I put it right under my sit bone, so my heel goes right under my sit bone. Second foot does the same thing, and I scoop it back, okay? So for the legs, when your knees come forward, it's gonna grip right in here, okay? So I have pants on to kind of minimize the sound that my brass pole makes. That's what makes it so sticky, which is awesome, but it's kind of hard to demonstrate on camera sometimes. So you should definitely try this in shorts for the first time. But the legs are going to come on either side, and it's going to grip nice and high right in here, okay? So facing your pole, start again, arms go up, stronger arm on top, wrap, elbows in, let the arms start to come down as you pull, take the knees forward, lift them, find that grip, and then let it slide. Good, perfect. I'm going to re-grip that arm up top to kind of help. 1, 2, push it up. Okay, nice. So here's an arm variation you can try that you might prefer. Arms go up, and my front arm is going to go low. My back arm is going to go high. Okay, so I'm kind of hugging with the front arm, and the back arm goes high. Pull down, knees in front, and slide. Good. Same thing. Go 1, 2, push it out. Okay, now I'm going to show you what it looks like when I do it on spin. Okay, so my pole is spinning now, and I'm switching to the opposite side so I can practice. So let's just warm that side up. Pole's in the middle. Arms go up. Definitely switch your arms. It might not be your stronger arm, but go ahead and switch. Pull down on the pole, knees come in front, grab, lift, and slide. Good. Front leg, back leg, bring it up, okay? The second hold is when my back arm goes straight, so let's try that one. Up, back arm straight, front arm low, hug the pole, and this time, I'm actually going to lean my shoulder towards the camera to give it a baby spin. Let me show you first, and then you can try it. So, I'm going to lean this way, give it just kind of a little bit of a wind in. See that? Wind in, lift, and I've got a little baby spin. I'm going to slide this down to the ground. Nice. And then go front leg, back leg, bring it up. Okay, perfect. So When you're doing the baby spin, you don't need to jump into the air. You're gonna do kind of a little push with your toes, but the more you kind of wind into it and think about leaning that shoulder, the better this will be. So let's try it again. Arms go up. Find your grip. I like this split version. I'm gonna wind into it, push off the floor a little bit, and I'm in my spin, letting it slide through my hands and my legs until I reach the floor. Then 1, 2, and out. Beautiful. Okay, great. I hope that you had fun with the pin-up slide. Practice both sides and both grips, okay? Make sure to use your legs as much as you need to, and then I will see you next week for something new.